Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing the Peaches and Petals subscription box. You guys know all about this. If you don't, Peaches and Petals is a monthly lifestyle box for women. It's really reasonably priced. It's like $19.99. This is the last box they sent out to reviewers. It's the September box. And so you won't see me unboxing it anymore because it's just not like in my budget to have another box to buy and all that stuff. But the reason they're doing that is they're trying to include more high-end items, and so they're taking that money that they would be giving in product to reviewers and they're putting it into nicer box products. So that might be a really cool thing. I'm not sure what their October box is like. I'm kind of excited to see that. So it's really early. It's like 9 o'clock on a Saturday. It's really quiet. My kids are with my brother for the weekend, so I'm like, oh, this is gonna be wonderful. So I'm just gonna open this up. Also, I was thinking about getting another box, like buying a box. I don't know which one. I would like to know what you guys would like to see. So here's, look right down in. I would love to know what boxes you guys would like. So if you want to leave that in the comments, if you could have me do a box, any box out there that I don't already unbox, put that down below. I'm curious. All right, so we have, now I did see somewhere, maybe Instagram, this bubble light, so you can write in your own message, and it's battery operated. I'm actually really excited for this. I think it's super cute. So here it is. Oh, isn't that cute? I love that idea. Oh my gosh, if I can get it back in. All right. All right, so there's that. Then we have, oh, what is this? Kiss My Face. Light moisturizing lotion. Is it for your face? No, it's for like your legs, but I don't know what it's called. Kiss My Face, but it is lavender and shea scented. It's a really cute bottle. I'm actually excited to try this. It's a 2-in-1, moisturize and calm. Absorbs in seconds, lightweight feel, aromatherapeutic. So that's cool. Then we've got, okay, hold on. Make Each Day Your Masterpiece, a coloring journal by John Wooden. I love the cover, isn't it cool? And it is a traditional journal. It does have lined pages, but then it has a couple pages where you color it in. But for the most part, it's a journal. It's really cute, though. I like that. That's nice. And then finally, we have a Burt's Bees Petunia tinted lip balm. So it is a tinted, a light pink. It's 100% natural. It's sealed and all that stuff, which is really cool. That's everything that I received in my September Peaches and Petals. If you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to Peaches and Petals with my affiliate link. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.